David Chalmers. Though he's known for his work on the hard problem of consciousness, he's been interpreted as expressing doubt. Despite widespread agreement that consciousness arises from a physical basis, there is little consensus on the nature of that basis. And finally, fifth, Susan Blackmore. Consciousness is not some mysterious other stuff that needs its own special science, because it does not exist. It's important to note that the idea that consciousness does not exist is not a mainstream position among scientists. But there are some philosophers and scientists who have proposed skeptical views